I was looking through the garage and I found this, and I think we can make masks out of these. Look how many shirts. Do you see this?
That's a lot of shirts.
Exactly. And look at all these different shirts. You can pick a different color.
Whoa.
Look, let's just pick it all out. Okay, so let's pick out which ones we want.
I like this one. It looks very cool.
Can I see?
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a project with my sister.
Hi, I'm Sydney.
And I'm Jaden.
Guys, today we're going to make a mask for Teachers Appreciation Week. We're going to show you how to make masks with no need of sewing machines. First, you're going to need any shirt.
And you need fabric glue.
Then you're going to need some scissors.
And then you're going to need 2 rubber bands.
We're going to cut along the stitches of the shirt, the whole back of the shirt, all the way around. We're going to fold it in half.
So if you have like a couple holes like that, like get all the white spots, it doesn't matter if it's not straight. It just matters if you try your best. It's correctly good. Make sure you be very careful with this. And if you're under 6, then tell your parents to do it. It's much more safer. We don't want you to cut your finger.
Okay, Jaden, can you go put it in the washing machine?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, the washing machine is over here. I want to see it. It's not moving. Don't move.
Okay, what are we going to do when the shirt's in the washing machine?
We can play Don't Wake Up Daddy.
Oh, I have a really good idea. Let's play the real Don't Wake Up Daddy.
Yeah, but where is it?
Shh, he's sleeping. This is the real Don't Wake Up Daddy, but we're gonna play the human Don't Wake Up Daddy.
Ta-da!
So let's put the blanket on. We're gonna put some food on him. The idea is to stack food on our dad's face without waking him up.
Here you go.
Yeah. So we're gonna like do something to the mask and also make some butterflies.
Let's get right to it.
Where is it?
I think I'm gonna use this one.
I'm gonna use this one.
If you guys don't have a machine like this, you could simply either draw and stencil, you can print a picture and trace it, or even draw a picture of your own on your mask. But in this case, we're gonna use this handy dandy machine because we think it's pretty cool and we have it in our house right now.
Very cool,
Look at this
right,
amazing
Sydney?
outline it has. Okay.
I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm still standing. We're making the best. We do wait. But don't you know I sit around with my head hanging down? 'Cause I wonder who's loving you. Two little butterflies living a life. Once they have a little baby. Once they know your parents, you don't have to worry about getting eaten by a snail. And then the snail gets eaten by a butterfly.
Make sure you don't rip it.
And the butterfly gets eaten by a snail. Oh my God! Is that Mama kissing Santa Claus? The two little butterflies
fly and hug at the same time.
Once they look like a creepy monster, they will look like this and pink and blah 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 blink. Blah 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 blah.
the way you make me feel. But girl, you're not in my feet now, girl. Hey! My world, you know you dance by Michael Jackson. Rock my world, to rock my world by Michael Jackson. Everything that's gonna get, and every song you make the fuck like you.
3 hours later.
Now that our shirt is off the dryer, we're gonna fold one side in, and we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Then we're gonna take our two rubber bands and put them on each side. Just like this. And then the same thing to the other side. And then we're gonna fold in each side. Just like that, and we can even tuck this one under. And then you're gonna get your fabric glue. And you're gonna glue a little bit here. And then a little bit over here. Just so it stays together.
We use this to decorate it, but you can do whatever you want.
Okay, this is our finished product. We went ahead and stuck our butterflies on. So let's have Jaden try it on so you guys can see.
Yeah, and there it
Pull it up over your nose. There we go.
Ta-da!
We want to give a big thanks to all the teachers around the world for all their help and hard work during this difficult time.
I love you, Miss Brady.